everyone. So let me present to you my findings of my thesis. Size 14 centimeter because is the matured size according to BFAR to maintain sustainable practices and using bare hand with following thorough aseptic techniques like washing if in every procedures to prevent any cross contamination, and then after that is properly sealed and then delivered to Caraga State University and stored in negative degrees Celsius before transportation to MSU-IIT. Yung iyahang accurate nga size and dry weights na yung mga presence sa mining and development of non-carcinogenic risk. We categorized consumers from average of that site and the maximum consumers of that site. The carcinogenic threat or the target cancer risk, and I have found out ang ako lang i-conduct sa